Sam pang Cebu Marathon. We are here and Sisa.
Sa finish line na dira.
Siguro.
And of course, we are also joined tonight by the one and only mayor of the Cebu City, Mayor Mr. Archon.
Wow. 42.
Let's go! Godspeed, winners!
This is it. Let's go, 42-kilometer runners. You can do this.
Let's go!
We are joined by a crowd of runners here tonight.
Let's go, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Let's go! Let's go!
Fireworks.
Everybody make some noise!
Once again, runners, this is Cebu Marathon.
Senor, let's go! Beat Senor!
What the hell? Say hi. Sorry. Time pa ba? Oo. Ang mga pacer pa ako. Pero nakaguknat na to sa sila no.
Come on, everybody!
Run.
Let's go!
Baby Sam.
Maglabay na sa...
2-kilometer runners, see you at the finish line.
Let's go! We have our last set of runners for the 42-kilometer coming right up. And we have a minion joining the race! Let's go!
Maybe. You start out runners. So, Baby Sam.
Woo! Huli na mi guys. Huli naman yung apis.
Oh, tarong ko ah. Ang videohan. Ay, turning point na. SM sa Alauna sa Kadlaon with Baby Sam.
Kapit na rin ako yung guys.
Tulay guys. Abot pa mi dito. Power to our blessed. Tulay na mi guys. Baby Sam mo.
Magtulay.
Ano yung naka ganas mo run of 42 kay among gibayran wayay ilaing makaagig karsada close ho. Wow, 42 full marathoners. Yan nami sa tulay si Silex ubos pa damo namin diha. Good morning. Take our time, it's already 1 o'clock in the morning. Bye.
Ano, may utol.
Grabe ka mong biyong bibisa mo. Tulay yung sarap ng buhay. Thank you, Lord. Ay, tanil lamig guys. Bisa mo. Tanil. Tanil lang. Tanil. Ipa-close na mo. Go, go, go! Come on! Sumiter! Capitol na may 13K and a half with some Capitol guys. So, bye bye. 20 na may dyan. Drop.
Kapit kami.
14 km. Sinulog sa gitong pusog. Isang sinulog guys. Crown Regency. Here in Crown Regency. Sarakan ato Sisilex to Express NI itong kananan si kinanan sa una Express N yes tatay Johnny nanayan si Popoy Papa bye Horizon na may naay Horizon ano buga 17 km pa mi 17 Horizon wow Bilisam 25 na kan kaya bull si Selex na guys 25 Sam. Oh, 25 km. We have 17 left. Hi, thank you Lord. Kaya na. Ha? Eh. Honey runners. Wow. Sisilex guys. Kaya pa. Wow, thank you Lord. Sisilex guys. Bibi Sam. 26 na.
It's 25:45.
25. Hapit na. Runners. Maraming runners guys.
Sabi sa college yung gigil.
Oh, bakilid. Sarap ng buhay.
Bawi, let's go.
Seaside. Kanang. Bibi Sam. Adrenaline adis. Spray. Maraming runners guys. Runners. Walking na lang anay sa marathon ang bigas guys 30 plus na tela kami 29 pa pero kaya bibisa mo ang tiyang nakakam Garmin many runners. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessing, for the strength. Kusog sa endurance. Lolo! Cordoba na guys. Oh, U-turn na good. Turning point 3. Cordoba. Gamay na lang. Hindi makan pin. Hindi mo kay kuwang. Thank you. Thank you. Sarap ng buhay. Welcome. Oh, Manila na mi guys. Manila na. Ni si Bibi Sam. Sisilex. Sa Sisilex. Walking lang. Sarap ng buhay. Thank you, Lord. O pa naman. Wow. Walking. Kapit na alas 8.
Kapila ba sa Bidal day?